Hello and welcome back to the PhD Prep Lab channel. Before we go on to the video, make sure you like, subscribe and press the bell icon to get notifications from our channel. So today is the third topic that we are going to be covering from the playlist of part A for ICMR BRET examination. So today's topic is completion of figure matrix. We'll have a brief explanation on how to solve these questions. The question you see here is the previous year question asked in 2024 ICMR BRET examination. So this is how generally these questions come on completion of figure matrix, and these are quite commonly asked in ICMR 2000 and BRET examination. So in these kind of problems, you typically get a figure or a matrix, and it will have some set of figures. They follow a particular sequence or a pattern, and you'll have a quartile, a blank left, where you have to choose the correct option on what the continuation of the correct figure will be. So to approach these kind of problems, we only have to identify what pattern any figure is following. So here, for example, you can see on the first row we have circles, and you can see in each column the number of circles is increasing by 1. You have to keep this thing in mind, that how many numbers these figures are also increasing. So they are increasing only by 1 number. Similarly, the second row follows the same sequence, and in the third, the question mark row, which has squares, it also increases by 1. So the option will have 4 squares, that is known, okay, but the rotation is not changing. So we'll select the option A because it has no change in rotation. So here, similarly, using the explanation that I gave you previously, you can solve this particular question also, which was seen in which was given in 2024 ICMR examination. So you have 3 rows again, and in this figure, in this pattern, the first box we have both the arrows that are pointing upwards, but in the second arrow, the arrow on the left side, it is reversed, and in the third box both the arrows are getting reversed, okay. And the second row also follows a very similar pattern. The first arrow is pointing up, but the second arrow is pointing to the left side, and in the second box the left arrow is reversed, and in the third box both the arrows are reversed. So we'll apply the pattern in the third row as well, where the question mark is given. So option A will be correct, as the second arrow will only change the position, and hence both the arrows will be pointing upwards. So these kind of questions are often very commonly asked in ICMR examination. You can just identify what kind of pattern which figure is following. There can be multiple patterns followed by a figure as well, so you have to clearly observe that to solve the question very correctly. And you can also join our Telegram channel, where we'll be posting daily practice questions, and you'll receive daily updates as well. We'll give out the solutions also. Just use the scanner to join our Telegram channel. We'll also provide the link in the description box for our Telegram community. You can join our channel and practice with us daily, and do let us know if you find this video helpful, and we'll be covering more topics in the further videos. So this is the whole playlist dedicated to section A for ICMR BRET examination. So stay tuned.